Hmm? Hmm? Ngiyapretenda nje akumnandi ayangizwa akumnandi.
So you guys, after Yolanda Gumbi left her two friends in her car and forgot to switch off her Instagram live, two of her so-called friends went on a gossiping spree, not aware that they were captured and exposed for the whole world wide to see. Yollie embarrassed them to the world by showing up the two fake friends' faces on her social media after users had asked her to please show their faces. So up next, I'm just gonna upload the little clip. Do make sure that you engage with me in the comment section. Also like, share, subscribe, or follow the page if you haven't yet done so.
My gossiping friend. Let's go now.